Overwhelmed to Empowered Affirmations for Mothers. As a mother, you have experienced the highs and lows of motherhood. At times, motherhood can feel like a roller coaster ride of emotions and challenges, but you are a strong and resilient warrior who can conquer anything. The sleepless nights, the tantrums, and the endless laundry can leave you feeling overwhelmed and drained. But don't worry, you are not alone in this journey. Affirmations are simple yet potent statements that can reframe your mindset, boost your confidence, and bring peace to the chaos of motherhood. By using these affirmations, you can start to transform your daily experience and navigate the ups and downs of motherhood with more positivity and fulfillment. By making these affirmations a part of your daily routine, you can reprogram your mind to see the world with a fresh perspective. As you repeat these affirmations, allow them to sink deep into your subconscious mind and fill you with strength and courage. Remember, you are a warrior who can handle anything that comes your way. Let us guide you through affirmations that will empower you to be the best mom you can be. I am a loving and nurturing mother. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. I am grateful for the moments of joy and laughter with my children. I trust my intuition to guide me in parenting decisions. I am strong and resilient in the face of challenges. I am worthy of self-care and self-love. I embrace the imperfections of motherhood. I am patient and understanding with my children. I am a role model for my children. I am proud of the mother I am becoming. I am grateful for the support and love of my family and friends. I am creating a safe and loving environment for my children. I trust the process of parenting and enjoy the journey. I am capable of balancing motherhood and my personal goals. I am grateful for the lessons motherhood teaches me. I am a great listener and communicator with my children. I am forgiving of myself and others. I am patient with myself as I learn and grow as a mother. I am filled with positive energy and love for my family. I am present and attentive with my children. I am a source of comfort and security for my children. I am grateful for the opportunity to be a mother. I am open to learning new things as a mother. I am creating a beautiful and meaningful life for my family. I am proud of the love and connection I share with my children. Take a moment each day to breathe deeply and repeat these affirmations to yourself. Watch as your mood lifts, your energy increases, and your perspective becomes more positive. Embrace the journey of motherhood, enjoy the little moments, and be proud of the amazing mother you are becoming. May you feel peace, love, and joy in your journey through motherhood. Affirmations are more than just words, they are powerful tools that can help you stay positive, confident, and grounded in the present moment. Allow these words to nourish your soul and uplift your spirit, reminding you of your strength, resilience, and unwavering love for your children. Embrace the words as they transform your daily experience of motherhood, bringing you closer to your true self and the beauty of this sacred journey. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Manifest the life you deserve. Always remember the blessings of the universe are within you.